The best time to buy Xtrema Cookware, by far, is Black Friday. In 2024, not only is Xtrema offering 20% off site-wide, but they're also giving us another 20% off on top of that if you spend $300 or more. Alternatively, you can get an extra 15% off in addition to the sale price if you spend at least $250. Links to each 2024 Xtrema Black Friday deal are in the description box. This Black Friday, Xtrema is offering an incredible deal on their Kitchen Mastery set. Originally priced at $1,799.99, you can now snag this comprehensive cookware collection for just $1,439.99. That's a whopping $360 in savings. Plus, you'll get an additional 20% off for spending over $300. Now, that's what you call a proper Black Friday deal. The set includes everything you need to transform your cooking game. You'll get a variety of pots, pans, and bakeware made from 100% pure ceramic. These pieces are perfect for whipping up anything from hearty stews to delicate desserts. Here's what you'll find in the Kitchen Mastery Set: 4-quart baking dish, square cake pan, 6-cup muffin pan, 2-quart loaf pan, 7.5-quart Dutch oven with lid, 5.5-quart Versa pot with lid, 3.5-quart saucepan with lid, 1.5-quart saucepan with lid, 11-inch signature skillet, 7-inch signature skillet, 10-inch saute pan with lid. What makes Xtrema Cookware special? It's all about the material. Pure ceramic doesn't leach any nasty chemicals into your food. It heats evenly and retains heat well, making your cooking more efficient. Get ready for an amazing Xtrema Black Friday deal. The Xtrema Deluxe Cook and Serve set, normally priced at $1,199.99, is now available for just $959.99. That's a huge $240 in savings. This set is a game changer for your kitchen. It includes 6 versatile pieces, 11-inch signature skillet, 10-inch Versa pan, 4-quart rectangular baking dish, 7.5-quart oval Dutch oven, 5.5-quart Versa pot, 3.5-quart Versa pot. Each piece is crafted from 100% pure ceramic, ensuring your cooking is free from toxins and harmful chemicals. You'll love how evenly these pots and pans distribute heat, making your meals turn out perfect every time. As part of the Xtrema Black Friday sale, the popular Xtrema Signature Series set is up for grabs at a steal. Originally priced at $552.99, it's now available for just $442.39. That's a sizable $110 in savings. Plus, you'll get an extra 20% off for spending over $300, saving you even more money. This 9-piece set is a kitchen game changer. You'll get 1-quart saucepan with lid, 1.5-quart saucepan with lid, 2.5-quart saucepan with lid, 9-inch skillet, 2 organic cotton handle pot holders. Durability is a key feature. The ceramic construction is chip resistant and can withstand extreme temperatures. Plus, it's scratch resistant and stain proof, so your cookware will look great for years to come. Xtrema stands behind their product with a 10-year warranty and a 30-day trial period. If you're not satisfied, you can return it hassle-free. Xtrema's Baker's Trio is now on sale for $391.99, down from its regular price of $489.99. That's a healthy $98 off. Talk about a sweet deal. This versatile set includes everything you need for your holiday baking adventures. 7.5-inch classic oval Dutch oven with lid, loaf pan, 6-cup muffin pan. Crafted from 100% non-toxic ceramic, these pieces are perfect for whipping up rustic sourdough loaves, festive muffins, and savory egg cups. You'll love how easily they transition from oven to table, adding a touch of elegance to your holiday spread. The Baker's Trio isn't just about looks, it's packed with practical features too. The ceramic construction ensures even heating and excellent heat retention, so your bakes come out perfect every time. Plus, it's safe for use in the oven, microwave, and even on the stovetop. Save over $100 on Xtrema's Versa Pan Set. Originally priced at $529.99, you can now snag this versatile cookware set for just $423.99. That's a massive $106 in savings. And you get an extra 20% off on top of that because you spent over $300. The Versa Pan Set is a game changer for your kitchen. Made from 100% pure ceramic, these pans are completely non-toxic and free from harmful chemicals. You'll love how they distribute heat evenly, ensuring your meals cook to perfection every time. This set includes 3 essential pans: 12-inch Versa Pan with lid, 10-inch Versa Pan with lid, 8-inch Versa Pan with lid. This Black Friday, Xtrema's signature Skillet set is an absolute steal. The 3-piece set, originally priced at $452.99, is now available for just $362.39. That's a whopping 20% in savings, plus another 20% for spending over $300. You'll get 3 versatile skillets in this set: 11-inch signature skillet, 9-inch signature skillet, 7-inch signature skillet. These pure ceramic skillets are perfect for all your cooking needs. They're free from toxins and metals, so you can cook with peace of mind. Grab the Xtrema Classic Oval Dutch Oven for just $279.99 this Black Friday, down from its regular price of $349.99. That's a sizable $70 off. This 7.5 quart beauty is perfect for family feasts and batch cooking. Its oval shape ensures even heat distribution, making it ideal for everything from bread to broths to roasts. The Dutch oven boasts a stylish textured exterior with a fluted design. Not only does it look great, but it's also super functional. The modern lid design locks in flavors for mouth-watering dishes every time. Get ready for a sizzling Black Friday deal. The Xtrema 9-inch signature skillet is now on sale for $138.39 instead of $172.99, saving you plenty of money. This skillet is a kitchen superstar. With its shallow sidewalls and smooth cooking surface, it's perfect for searing, sautéing, and frying. The best part? It's 100% pure ceramic, so you don't have to worry about any nasty chemicals leaching into your food. Get ready for a sweet Black Friday deal on the Xtrema Square Cake Pan. Originally priced at $92.99, you can now snag this baking essential for just $74.39. That's a cool 20% off, giving your wallet a nice break. The low rim design makes it a breeze to turn out your creations. And with its even heat distribution, you'll get perfectly baked goodies every time. During the 2024 Xtrema Black Friday sale, you can snag the Xtrema 12-inch Versa Pan for just $226.39 instead of $282.99. You'll save a healthy $56 on this versatile cookware piece. This pan is lightweight yet durable with a low rim for easier food turning. Its one-piece construction ensures long-lasting performance. Get ready for some serious savings on the Xtrema Baking Pan Bundle this Black Friday. The regular price of $499.99 has been slashed to just $399.99. That's a whopping $100 off, giving you more bang for your buck. This bundle is a baker's dream, featuring 3 versatile ceramic baking dishes. You'll get a 2-quart, 4-quart, and 6-quart dish. Perfect for whipping up everything from cozy casseroles to decadent desserts. Get ready for a steal. The Xtrema Retro Tea Kettle is on sale for Black Friday at just $117.11, down from its regular price of $146.39. That's a sweet 20% savings on this eye-catching kitchen essential. This 2.5 quart kettle is a true blast from the past. Its vintage-inspired design will transport you to simpler times while brewing your favorite teas. But don't let its retro looks fool you. This kettle is packed with modern benefits. Get ready for an incredible Xtrema Black Friday deal. Originally priced at $222.99, you can now snag Xtrema's 5-piece starter set bundle for just $178.39. That's a whopping 20% in savings, and you'll get another 20% off on top of that if you spend over $300. This handcrafted set is the perfect foundation for your kitchen. It includes 1.5 quart stock pot with lid, 7-inch signature skillet, 2-piece red pot holder set. Save big this Black Friday on Xtrema's rectangular baking dish. The regular price of $179.99 is slashed to just $143.99. That's a full $36 in savings for you. This versatile dish comes in 3 sizes: 2 quart, 4 quart, and 6 quart. You can choose the perfect fit for your kitchen or collect them all for ultimate baking flexibility. The dish is handmade by skilled artisans, ensuring top quality craftsmanship. It's durable enough to be passed down through generations, making it a potential family heirloom. One of my favorite Xtrema cookware deals this Black Friday is on the Xtrema Baker's Bundle. Usually priced at $299.99, you can now snag this premium ceramic bakeware set for just $239.99. That's a whopping $60 savings on top quality, non-toxic baking essentials. The Baker's Bundle comes in 3 options to suit your baking needs: 2-piece set, muffin pan, and 2-quart loaf pan. 3-piece set adds a 9-inch pie pan. 4-piece set includes all the above plus a square cake pan. These versatile pieces are perfect for whipping up everything from cupcakes to pies. Made from 100% pure ceramic, you'll never have to worry about harmful chemicals leaching into your food.